Hello everyone and welcome to Tuesday's writing lesson. So as explained yesterday, this week you are going to have a go at writing an independent explanation text using everything that you looked at last week in your earthquake one and thinking about the example text we looked at that week about how to survive a tsunami. So like usual, what we're going to do is we are going to split it up into sections over the next 2 days. So you're going to write a bit each day, make sure that you've checked it, and then by the end of the sessions, you will have one completed explanation text. So like we did last week when we did our guided one, we are going to start with the first 2 shapes. Now, hopefully you can remember from yesterday. So we are going to start with our what is a flood, our introduction paragraph that sort of defines what we're talking about. And we're going to look at early warning signs of flooding. So how do you know that a flood is going to happen? So those are the 2 paragraphs we're going to write today. What you will need to do is on a clean page, you will need to start again. And you will need to write the title of our text that we're going to write today. So how to survive a flood. So pause the video and have a go if you need to give yourself some time to write the heading. Okay, so what you are going to do is you're going to have a go at writing it by yourself. On the screen, I have got some of our sentence starters that were on the website last week when we wrote our guided one. I've got the shapes at the top to remind you what your subheadings are and what the titles need to be. So what is a flood? And early warning signs of flooding. Remember to use your text on earthquakes that we wrote last week because you can use exactly the same structure and you can lay it out in exactly the same way. So use that to help you. If you need to leave this screen up where you write to have a look at the sentence starters, then that is absolutely fantastic. So remember just those 2 paragraphs today. Remember to go back and check for spelling punctuation after you've written those 2 paragraphs. And then that is your writing for today. So then pop back tomorrow to have a look at the final few shapes and to have a look at some sentence ideas as well.